Ahankar means, maker of your own opinion, lover and maker of your wrong opinion, which takes you to disturbance, desperation, and dissolution. I'm repeating it. If your opinion was right, it will quieten you. The biggest test of your right opinion is that it will always quieten forever. You form your opinion and you don't want anybody to challenge your opinion. And your opinion, you feel it is the best. This is a problem. You have opinion, you can keep, but ask somebody that my opinion is subject to correction. I'm subject to correction. I may be wrong also. This is where he doesn't agree that I'm wrong. I'm wrong is a not word in the dictionary of Ahankar. And more you think you are not wrong, more others feel you are wrong. He tries to play hard to put his point. And same thing happened with Satiji. Shivji told her that, this Ramji was crying badly at that time. Seeing the plant, he was saying, where is Sita? Where is Sita? He fell down. Lakshmanji lifted him. And here Shivji said, Jai Satchidanand Jag Pavan. Pranam kar rahe hain. She got more hurt. My husband is bowing down to any worldly person who's crying, and crying for a woman also. Shivji is explaining, bhai, dekho, he is not, this is Leela Bhagwan. Lagna Urupadesh. But she is not going to, she didn't leave her opinion. She knew that Shivji is Jagdishwar. It was not hidden from her that Shivji is Lord of Lord. All yogis have satsang there in the morning. He is the avatar. But she could not leave this opinion. This is Ahankar stage. He holds on to this point. He is not going to test it to 100 places. And when you have Ahankar, you will always find this point. Weakness. I don't know you understand. Have you marked this? Later on you may leave it. But at that spur of moment, you will not leave it. And you don't want anybody should challenge my opinion, challenge my style. You will justify it by 100 ways. It is a holder of wrong desire, wrong opinion, wrong dislike, wrong attachment, wrong sadhana, low. और सुन लो एक बात, Ahankar has no animosity with your jap and puja also, to make it worst. I told you it has roots everywhere. You may do a lot of puja, you may be a highly Ahankari person. You may do a lot of jap, highly Ahankari person. You may go to Kailash also, still you may be Ahankari. You may be a sannyasi also. Ahankar may be there. By putting on these robes also Ahankar doesn't go. I'm not saying puja japa are not effective. It will be having less effect, less effect. Like somebody, taking medicine of the diabetes and eating lot of sweets also. Rice, bread, high carb diet, plus taking medicine. Effect will be less of the medicine. It will go shoot up quite a bit. ये बड़ी प्रॉब्लमेटिक है, बहुत दिक्कत है भाई, क्या करें? And this is where maximum seekers